Hey everybody, Pete Meier here at AAPEX 2022. Specifically, I'm in the launch booth with my good friend Haresh Gobin. Haresh, thanks so much for taking the time to talk to me.
Thanks for having me.
You know, Haresh, Launch has been known for many years as a quality diagnostic tool supplier, specifically the X431 series of scan tools. Been around for many years and has evolved continuously to meet the challenges that technicians today face in diagnosing today's cars. And now we've got the TorqueLink. Tell me about all that new tool.
The TorqueLink is the latest addition to our Launch X431 Professional Line. Our diagnostic platform is all-encompassing and all features many different modules to support the technician in their diagnostic workflow.
Okay, now when you refer to modules, it's not like the modules I had to take in school, right? These are different functions on the tool.
Yes.
Can you give us a brief overview of those different modules?
Of course. Modules such as oscilloscope testing, battery testing, sensor box testing, these are all included on the tools, in addition to some new features that we've added on this tool also.
Right. So this is something, again, it's not just it's not a scan tool alone. It's a true diagnostic platform with all the resources that tech needs right there in the palm of his hand at the point of need, right there at the car.
Correct. And one of our product goals here at Launch is to really support the technician in their diagnostic workflow, giving them all the functions and features on the scan tool to encompass their diagnostic workflow in the shop.
Yeah. Now, do you have something there like to help that tech when he kind of hits that snag? What kind of resources do you bring to bear in the TorqueLink that can help him get past that?
I'm glad you asked, because actually the TorqueLink is one of the new scan tools that we have, the latest X431FIX. It's an all-encompassing repair information database by Motor Information Systems.
Wow. And I also understand there's another feature included with that tool.
Yes, CodeAssist by Identifix.
So again, you've got all the resources that technician guys, you heard it. When you need the information, when you need to check on TSBs, when you need to research the DTCs you might be tackling, TorqueLink brings the resources to bear and gives you the tools you need to get the job done. You've heard me say it before, you either fix it right or you fix it wrong. If you want to fix it right, go visit LaunchTechUSA.com, find out more about the new X431 TorqueLink.